Girl. Yeah.
Trying to bite that thing. It's gonna turn, huh? Why would I hit something? Gonna get back into